I had a partial before, and for some reason it kept breaking, and it was just a constant problem. Palate in your mouth, it really affects your taste buds, and I can't hardly taste anything. I love my LOCATOR FIXED smile, and I do. First of all, you don't have to take it in and out every day. You don't have the palate, which is very important to me not to have that. You just sound like a great thing. Sound like as good as you could get and not have your own teeth. I can eat anything I want to, which would be nice to do, and be able to taste it. That'll be nice too. When I was a kid, we had a spare rib or a barbecue shop near where we lived, and we used to go there every Friday night. And I've never tasted a rib that tastes that good. Maybe now I can.